Hi, this is Miriam. Right now I'm in my bedroom, but I am the nurse practitioner at Rise Up Aesthetics and Wellness. Today I want to give you the 101 on testosterone. This is one of the main sex hormones. And believe it or not, it is not just for men, it's also for women. It is the primary hormone for males, but like I said, it is also very important for females. Some women might not know that. They feel like it is just estrogen and progesterone that it is important for them, but no, absolutely not. They also need testosterone. Of course, in men, it gives them the male characteristics, the deep voice, the facial hair. It also regulates their libido, helps support sperm production. It also influences the way they feel, their mood, their energy. It also helps with bone density. In women, likewise, it also helps with the libido, muscle mass. It also contributes to bone strength. This hormone becomes very important as women age, as men age. Testosterone starts to decrease. And so for women, it's, they start going through menopause, and even before then, testosterone does start to decrease. So it is very important to get your levels checked, whether you are a male, female, it does not matter. You need this hormone in your body. So if you're feeling any of these symptoms, if you're having some fatigue, you're having loss of sexual desire, your husband is just, irritating you, you're becoming more anxious, more depressed, this you might be lacking testosterone. Again, like I said, you have to have not just your testosterone checked, but all your other hormones. But testosterone is one of the main ones that help you feel better, maintain that libido, to have a healthy relationship with your spouse. If you want any further information, if you have questions, you can always reach out to me. I do have consultations for both male and female on hormone replacement therapy, and I only use bioidentical, no synthetics hormones. We can do a virtual if you're in Texas, with a face-to-face meeting at least once a year, and the rest of them can be virtual. But otherwise, labs, I can do labs in-house, or I can send your labs to Quest and you can go to Quest. Either way, this is a very important hormone that everybody needs to have checked, and that hopefully if it's low, we can get it back up to where it needs to be to get you feeling healthy, energized, and just overall better. So you can reach me at 210-651-2211. I am available via text message. You can also reach me by email at Miriam, Miriam, at riseuptx.com. And like I said, I also have virtual appointments available in case it's difficult for you to come in. I hope to hear from some of you all, and I hope this provided some insight and information for some of you. Have a good Labor Day weekend, everybody. Bye.